Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Flip, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper for the auto screen in this device, so the screen which is located on the back of it. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to simply tap on the auto screen. Let's tap. As you can see, we've got here not only the wallpapers but also the always on display and display functions, so you can customize them right here. You can find them, but let's focus on the wallpapers. So let's simply tap on this first option, and as you can see, we will enter the full list of pre-installed wallpapers which we can choose. So as you can see, they are categorized into different albums like pet wallpapers, live wallpapers, so those which are animated, national flower, landmark, abstract, realistic, landscape, etc. Here you can also decide whether you want to hide the clock in the auto display or not. It's totally up to you. It depends what you want to see. So basically all you have to do is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So as you can see, we've got plenty of beautiful options to choose from. So basically let's maybe tap on on this one, and here we can check the preview, so how it will look like. And as I said, it depends on you whether you want to have the live wallpaper, so the animated option, or a standard one. You can just tap on it and check how it will look like. So let's pretend I want to set this option, and all we have to do is to tap on apply. As we can see, we've got this option applied successfully, so the only way to check it is to close the phone. So let me try to do it, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied. You can see it right here. Of course, as I said, it depends whether you want to also display a clock on it or not. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.